My name's Stuart, Columbine. In partnership with Gill, we run a business called Fasciawise based in Mansfield. We started out with initially 2 fitting teams around, but over the last 17 years that's expanded. We've gone from 2 teams up to 4 teams of fitters. We cover an area from Doncaster down to Leicester, out to Ashbourne, so Derbyshire, so cover a good area. When we first set out as a business, we concentrated solely on Soffit and Fascia and roofline replacement. Over the last 17 years we have diversified slightly. The main core of the business is still the roofline replacement. I think the homeowners appreciate the fact that we are consistent in what we do with the fascia and soffit, and we do get a lot of work from referral. We've also fit the freefoam cladding. We've seen a big increase in the vortex cladding over this past couple of years, especially with the pandemic. A lot of people building these so-called man caves and then cladding the bars with the vortex, especially the coloured vortex, the greys and the anthracite grey. So, yeah, there's been a big increase on the cladding. We purchase our freefoam products via a supplier at Nottingham called J-Plas. J-Plas we have known for many years. The service from him is excellent. Very often, if we do need materials at short notice, he's very responsive with that and gets the materials out to us. We've got a good working relationship with Jamie, and we're not just a working relationship, we're good friends with him as well. Freefoam products far better, in our opinion, than the ones we were using previously.